as we gather under the green, white, green flag, I want make we ask ourselves one question. What does the flag truly mean today? Them tell us say the green stands for strength, the white stands for peace. But if we are honest with ourselves, where the peace dey? Because everywhere we turn, na strength we dey see. Strength from politicians fighting for power, strength from bandits taking over communities, strength from terrorists spreading fear, strength from kidnappers turning highways into hunting grounds, strength from poverty pushing people beyond their limits, strength everywhere. But where the peace dey? The white for our flag dey there, but the peace wey e represent, many Nigerians never see am. No peace for the farmer wey no know whether e go return home from farm. No peace from the student wey hear gunshot before school bell. No peace for the mother wey wait all night for her child to return home. No peace for the father wey works every day yet cannot feed his family comfortably. No peace for the young graduate wey carry certificate but no future. No peace for the citizen wey sleeps with one eye open and fear inside the other. Our hearts are heavy, our minds are tired, our hopes are wounded. And for too many Nigerians, insecurity has become the rhythm of the day. The sound of gunfire has become louder than the sound of opportunity. The news of abduction arrives more often than the news of development. Fear travels faster than progress, and yet we are told to celebrate democracy. Yes, we celebrate, but we also reflect. Because democracy is not just the freedom to vote. Democracy is the freedom to live. Democracy is the freedom to dream. Democracy is the freedom to walk your street without fear. Democracy is the freedom for children to learn, not to run. Democracy is the freedom for families to plan tomorrow without worrying if tomorrow will come. June 12 reminds us of a promise. A promise that the voice of the people matters. A promise that government exists to serve, not to rule over suffering. A promise that one day every Nigerian, regardless of tribe, religion, or status, will stand equal before opportunity. But promises alone cannot comfort hungry families. Promises alone cannot silence bullets. Promises alone cannot rebuild broken communities. If democracy is working, then let us make it work better. If it is failing the people, then let us find the courage to fix it. Because no nation can be truly strong without peace. Strength without peace becomes oppression. Strength without peace becomes fear. Strength without peace becomes violence. The green of our flag needs the white. Strength needs peace. Power needs purpose. Leadership needs compassion. And Nigeria needs healing. Most especially, we must remember our children. Because every child forced out of school, every child displaced by conflict, every child growing up surrounded by fear is a warning from the future. And we must protect our families. Because family is the first place where people begins. If there is no peace in the home, there will be no peace in the nation. If there is no peace in the heart, there will be no peace in society. Today, let us not merely salute the flag. Let us ask ourselves whether we are truly living its meaning. Let the green remain our strength, but let us fight for the white. The peace in our homes, the peace in our communities, the peace in our minds, the peace in our nation. Because until every nation can feel that peace, the work of democracy remains unfinished. Happy Democracy Day. And may the green, white, green become not just the colors we wave, but the reality